Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another project share of some shaker dies that I received from KS Craft. I know the craze is all about those shakers, but just note that any of these shaker dies, you don't have to use it as a shaker. Especially I know sometimes foam can get tricky and a pain in the butt, but yeah. So I played with the new caramel apple die, the ice cream cone die, and the ticket bag topper die, which are all super fun. I'll start with the bag topper, and it comes with words that say carousel, admit one, and tickets. And this is what it looks like. How stinking cute is this, you guys? I am obsessed with this die. So I cut it out in 110, and then I went ahead and stitched the outside top piece and then the inner panel piece. Added some shaker bits. I used the word tickets in gold, and I figured this would be fun if you made like ticket embellishments, or if you gifted, you know how there's rolls of those tickets, or just anything in general. It's cute. Carousel theme, carnival theme, birthday theme. Super cute. I love this. Or it could be a table placemat for like a circus birthday. How cute. So yeah, that's that guy right there. And for this one, you cut this out in foam, and then you only use half the bag topper right here and use your acetate and your backer piece like that. And then you can just cut down that embossed line. Okay, so there's that guy. Next is the ice cream shaker. Look how cute. So I used the Buenos collection for this one. Used the same shaker mix. I did the like cone detail in like a glittery gold. I stitched this, and then I regretted it once I started sewing. This little panel right here, stitched around, almost sewed my fingers off. Cute little cherry and some glitter pink. And this is just adorable, you guys. And this will be perfect on a card, or even, look at, you can even do it as like a bag topper, like if you do it crooked, or even a little bit of an angle. Super, super cute shaker, you guys. And the next one, which I think somebody asked what was my favorite die of the release, and I think that would be fun to do that with all of, my design team packages. And I'd have to say it's probably going to be the candy apple, because I feel like that is such a versatile die. It could be good for summer, like carnival carousel theme, Maggie Holmes carousel. It could be used in different themes. So for instance, like spring colors, Christmas colors, like a candy caramel Christmas apple, like with Christmas like sprinkles and stuff. And then my ultimate favorite would be like Halloween. You can do like a green slime and have it kind of be like the poisonous apple from, what movie is that? Sleeping Beauty. So anyway, here is the embellishment. Look how stinking cute this thing is. So it shakes. I just did the background paper is like a light pink, and then I did the framing part in pink. So you don't have to use like caramel colors. I did the little stick in like a checkered paper. You can't really tell. The bow has like embossing detail on it. The apple has stitch detail and an embossed like circle, like kind of where the core of an apple would be. So there's the back. How cute is this, you guys? And I can't wait to play with this for Christmas, Halloween. Like I said, you could use this for all the themes. So cute. Okay, so that is everything for my project share, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.